Hello crochet friends and welcome back to Yarn Over Hook. My name is Sammy and in today's video I'm going to show you how to do a single crochet mesh. This is an awesome stitch because it's nice and airy. It isn't as dense as an all single crochet project and it crochets up really quick. So I'm excited to show you how to do this one today. Let's hop to it. To start your single crochet mesh project, say that 5 times fast, you want to do an even number of chains. Turn your chain over. We're going to work in the bumps. You want to skip this first bump from your hook and do a single crochet into that next bump. And then you want to chain. And that is literally it. That's all you're going to do for the entire single crochet mesh stitch. Single crochet, chain, skip, single crochet, chain, skip. That's it. That's the whole video. Let's skip this next chain and single crochet into the next one. And then chain. Skip, single crochet. And chain. Skip, single crochet, and chain, skip, single crochet. You will end your rows, with single crochets every time. Once you're at the end of your row, you'll simply turn. No chain or anything like that, just turn. And begin your row with a single crochet on top of the last single crochet that we did. Chain, skip this chain from the previous row, single crochet into the single crochet from the previous row. So what you end up doing is stacking single crochets and stacking chains. Chain, skip the chain, chain on top of chain, single crochet into this single crochet. And that's really it. You'll go on until your desired length, creates a really nice uniform mesh that honestly doesn't look like mesh from when you first look at it. That's what makes this stitch super, super cool. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please hit that like button, subscribe, and ding the bell so that you know when we upload a new video. And we'll catch you in the next one. Bye!